So today we have a cool gun. It's a Ruger M77. Not only is it in this nice Mannlicher Bavarian style stock, but it's in 22-250. Pretty cool varmint gun. The wood's in great condition. Comes with the original box, manual, includes the original Ruger rings as well, so that's pretty cool. Basically new in box. It is used, but it's in fantastic condition. I don't know if it's really ever been fired. Doesn't include a hood for that front sight, but everything else seems to be there. Classic Ruger red pad. Flip her over. Yeah, absolutely no blemishes. And these stocks, these full stocks, tend to carry a little bit more damage just because there's more surface area to scratch up, but like I said before, there is just nothing on this guy. Action is smooth. It's got that classic tang safety there. This particular gun was manufactured in 1985. So somebody kept it in pretty good condition for a long time. It's going to go on our website for about a week, and then we'll drop it to Gunbroker. So you can either make an offer on the website, you can buy it now as well, or wait and try your luck in the auction. But we suggest make an offer on the website. That way you can get this guy as quick as possible, and you're not gonna lose your chance at it, because this is a pretty sweet Ruger. Again, M77, 22-250, full length, Mannlicher, Bavarian, however you want to describe that, full stock. Go check it out.